For years, I swallowed disrespect. The jokes, the interruptions, the subtle moments where people acted like what I said didn't matter. And the worst part? I let it happen. Until one day, I realized something brutal. I had actually trained people to disrespect me. And once I saw that truth, everything changed. Today, after building multiple businesses and helping thousands of people grow, I've understood one thing. Respect isn't something you earn, it's something you teach. Have you ever felt that too? Like you kept letting things slide and only later realized you were teaching people how low they could go with you? Tell me in the comments if that hits home for you. I really want to know your experience. Tactic number 1. Respect starts with you. Most people believe respect is something others give you if you work hard enough or if you're good enough. But that's not how it works in real life. Think about it. You can work hard, treat everyone kindly, do everything right, and people will still talk down to you. So maybe the problem isn't how much effort you put into being respected, maybe it's how much you respect yourself. The world doesn't treat you based on what you want, it treats you based on what you tolerate. If you allow others to interrupt you, you've just told them it's okay. If you laugh along with jokes that cut you down, you're silently saying, keep going. So here's my question for you. When was the last time you disrespected yourself just to keep the peace? Tactic number 2. Stop measuring people by what they say and start measuring them by what they cost you to be yourself. Some people drain your energy without ever raising their voice. They slowly pull you away from your values, your goals, and your sense of who you are. Over time, you start behaving like someone you don't even recognize, not because they made you, but because you kept staying where you couldn't respect yourself. So ask yourself, who in your life makes it harder for you to act like the person you respect being? You don't need to answer out loud yet, just let the names appear in your mind. And if this is hitting harder than you expected, make sure you subscribe. This channel is for people who are done playing small and are ready to build real, quiet power. Tactic number 3. Choose discomfort over self-abandonment. Most people would rather betray themselves than feel uncomfortable for a moment. They stay in the job that crushes them, in the relationship that shrinks them, in the friend group that disrespects them. But every time you choose comfort over your own standards, you lose a little more respect for yourself. And eventually, other people start reflecting that back to you. Respect is built in those small, scary decisions, saying no, walking away, setting a boundary, even when your voice shakes. Tactic number 4. Respect is taught through consequences, not conversations. You can explain yourself 1,000 times. You can say, you need to respect me. You can't talk to me like that. This hurts me. But if nothing actually changes in your behavior, nothing changes in theirs. If someone disrespects you and you stay, you've just shown them your line is not real. But if you calmly take action, you leave, you step away, you remove access, that's when people finally get the message. Has that ever happened to you, where someone only realized your value after you stopped chasing, stopped explaining, and just pulled back? Share it in the comments. Your story might help someone who's watching this right now. Tactic number 5. Emotional control is one of the highest forms of self-respect. Exploding feels powerful in the moment, but it takes your power away. The person who controls their emotions controls the interaction. You don't have to yell to be respected. You don't have to win every argument. You just need to respond from a place of clarity instead of reaction. Sometimes that means saying less. Sometimes it means saying nothing and just acting. Next time someone tries to get under your skin, don't perform for them. Pause, breathe, let the silence work for you. Tactic number 6. People who truly respect themselves never argue to be respected. They just leave. You will never see a truly confident person begging to be valued. They already decided their worth before they walked into the room. And if someone can't see that, they don't fight, they don't beg, they don't try to convince. They exit. So ask yourself honestly, are you trying to convince people to respect you, or are you quietly teaching them through your actions what your standard really is? Let me know in the comments which one you've been doing more of, convincing or teaching through action. And if this video made you see your relationships and your boundaries in a different way, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Because next time, we're going even deeper into how to become emotionally untouchable, the kind of person who doesn't chase respect, but naturally commands it. Remember, people stop disrespecting you the moment you stop disrespecting yourself.